Okay, class, today we're going to be talking about a strategy for figuring out the meaning of new words. So this is where I will write difficult words on the board and I'll circle it. So I want you to think about what you do when you encounter a difficult word while reading. Once you think about it a little bit, I want you to turn to a partner and talk about good strategies to do when you encounter a difficult word. Okay, everyone, finish up your conversations and bring your attention back to the front. Awesome. Okay, so now can I have a couple students raise their hands and tell me the strategies you and your partner discussed? Here is an example. So like they could say like use pictures, ask a neighbor, look up the word, and like use surrounding words. Okay, I love all these strategies. Remember these for today's lesson. Let's go ahead and get started. So today's lesson will teach about how context clues are a skill that readers use to figure out the meanings of unknown words in a sentence. Are you guys ready? Okay, perfect. Okay, so PowerPoint. Context clues. Okay, what are they? So context clues are bits of information from the text that allow you to decide the meaning of unknown words. I understand the definition is a bit confusing, so we're going to watch a video to help us out, okay? I'm gonna play that video just for you for like a little bit so you can see it. Context clues are words or phrases around a new... Okay. Okay, that was fun, wasn't it? Okay, let's continue. So, why are context clues important? I want everyone to think about this, and once you have an idea, share it with a partner, okay? Okay, everyone, finish up your conversations and bring your attention back to the front. Okay, context clues are so important because they can help you understand what you were reading. You guys want to understand what you're reading, right? I thought so. Okay, so before we move on, I want to go over this context clues look for poster at the front. If you guys get stuck, you can always come back to look at this. So clues that good readers use to find the meaning of unknown words. We have pictures, helping words like or, like, are, called, words you already know, examples and definitions, and synonyms, which are words that mean the same, and antonyms, which are words that mean the opposite. Awesome. I think we are ready to start. What do you guys think? We have talked about all of these in previous lessons, so you guys should already be thinking how you can use these strategies to help you in reading. Okay, perfect. Now, I'm going to show you some examples and how to use context clues to figure out the nonsense words. Okay, so this is a restaurant menu. So we are going to replace the nonsense words in each of these sentences. Just so you guys know, a nonsense word is a word that has no meaning, okay? Meaning. Let's start with the first sentence. Okay, Bambosh is an Italian dish consisting of spaghetti, tomato sauce, and meatballs. Okay, can anyone tell me what the nonsense word is? Yes, Bambosh. Awesome. So I'm going to use context clues to figure out which food item this is. So let's start by highlighting the important details. Ooh, I see Italian dish. Pizza, noodles. Let's keep reading. Ooh, I see spaghetti. Ooh, that could be lots of dishes. Lots of dishes have spaghetti. Tomato sauce. What? So some marinara and spaghetti and meatballs. Okay. So, after highlighting these important details, I think I can figure out what Bambosh is. Does anybody have any guesses? Yes, Bambosh is spaghetti and meatballs. Good job, everybody. Okay, so now This is just an example list. Here is a list of partners in the sentence you have, okay? So there's like some kids and then 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. Okay. Go find your partners and sit next to them. Great job for being quick. Now that we have our partners, look at your names and look for the number next to your name. This number tells you and your partner which sentence you'll have. So remember this number very carefully, okay? Okay. So if you had a 2 next to your sentence, next to your partners, you're going to do sentence number 2. If you had a 3, you're going to do sentence number 3, and so on, okay? So now, I want you to read your sentence independently. Then when you're done, put your hand on your head. Perfect. Now, with your partners, I want you guys to find the nonsense word of the sentence you were assigned and replace it with the food item being described by the context clues. Once you guys have figured it out, come to the board and write the nonsense word and what that nonsense word means.